I wish there was a bright red in here. So pretty. I love this color. I'm actually impressed. Hi beautiful, welcome back to the video. If you are new here, my name is Monica. Welcome. For today's video I am doing a review, testing out, showing you guys swatches of the new holiday Kylie Cosmetics collection, How the Grinch Stole Christmas. I'm so excited about this collection. Like, by seeing it online I can tell this is like my favorite collection when it comes to packaging already. I just love the theme, I love the green, I love the pink, everything about it is just so beautiful. So I'm really excited to see if the products, like the quality of the products, live up to the packaging and how everything is looking. So if you want to see me testing out, showing you swatches of the new Kylie Cosmetics holiday collection, make sure you keep on watching. So this is the packaging. I mean, how beautiful is this? Super creative. I just like love the whole theme. And then when you open it up, you get a green side and a red side and a lot of products inside. Let me show you guys a little bit closer. We have this right here. This is a lip set with 6 lipsticks. I love the packaging. I'm obsessed with the packaging on this collection. It's just, the details are just everything. So much detail. It's just like, it's perfection. And then you have the Grinch hand holding these 2 ornaments, which are the lip glosses. And then on here we have a highlighter and then the lip kit. And then on the green side, I need to move to the other side, but on the green side we have the eyeshadow palette, we have the eyeliner, green eyeliner. We have these right here, which are the shadow sticks. Comes with 4 shadow sticks. We have the blush, and then down here we have these 2 eye glazes. Yeah, this stuff is really heavy. There are a lot of products. Let me see the price of everything. So the whole collection, the complete holiday collection bundle, retails for $265. And then when I show you the products, like, I will tell you the price of each product while I show it to you guys. 10 out of 10 on the packaging for me. It's just everything. It's just like, I just want to save this and never throw it out. I just want to like keep this with me forever because it's such a beautiful packaging. I don't know if they sell this package. I got this in PR, but that doesn't change my opinion. If I like the things I will use, I will tell you. If I don't like it, I will tell you as well. But I just want to let you guys know that I got this in PR, but I don't know if they sell these with like the PR box or not. You're gonna have to check it online. But yeah, so pretty. So we are a little bit more zoomed in because I'm starting with eyeshadow. I have my brows done, I have my eyelids prepped, and I'm gonna start by using the Kylie x The Grinch eyeshadow palette. And when you open it up, this is what you see. You have a mirror, you have like the Grinch face right here, half of his face, which I love. So I love the color scheme. I love that she came out with more color. That's what I talked about on my last Kylie review, that I wanted to see more color, and this is a little bit more than what she usually do. I'm not mad about it. I love the color scheme and I love that I can play and do a lot of looks with it. I wish there was a bright red in here. So I'm gonna start by swatching a shimmer, and this one is the Last Can of Hush. Don't know if that's how you pronounce that, but yeah, this green is beautiful. Then on here I'm gonna be swatching Green and Mean, which is that matte green, and it looks much brighter when you swatch it than on the pen. Then we are going to swatch Hoop Pudding, which is a more pastel green. I'm gonna swatch this Stocking Full of Coal, which is, I think it's a green but a more dark olive green. Yeah, it is. On here we have Mount Crumpit, which is a like icy white. It does have like some silver little glitters in it. And then on here I'm gonna swatch the Hood Race, which is a peachy shimmer. Let's do another matte. Let's do a Who's Who, which is a almost like a mustard orange. Now we're gonna swatch Old Grinch, which is a cool kind of brown. Can do Shine On. I'm just gonna do it right on top here. She's more like a copper brown. Look how pretty that is. Every shade swatched really beautifully, really easy, and it looks super pigmented. I love the greens. The greens for me are my favorite shades, especially these 3 right here. I do love this olive green, But these three right here are really pretty, and I love how bright this green is. Those are the swatches. I'm actually impressed. I'm really impressed by how everything swatched so well. And I'm shocked by how the green on the pen looks more like a pastel green, but once you swatch it, it's more like a vibrant grass green, if you know what I mean. So you can like do like a shimmer look, a more smoked out look, or a green look. And of course I want to do a green look. Before I forget, just let me tell you that these Grinch pressed Grinch, oh my god, Grinch pressed powder palette retails for $40. So that's like the normal price for her palettes, I believe. $42, $38, so it's in between that. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go in with the Reveal, which is a peachy nude kind of shade, and just like really start to apply that on my crease. Now I'm gonna go into your Vile one, focusing that more on the outer corner. So far there is no fallout on the palette and everything is blending super well. Now I want to go with a little bit of hoop pudding and go over that shade that I just applied. But like focusing and letting stay on the outer corner of my eye. Then I'm gonna go into Green and Mean, which might be my favorite shade from this palette. I'm gonna go into Fahu Farah and apply that on my lid. Yeah, there is like some green into this shade as well. Oh, this is so pretty, this shade. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit of less can of Huhash, which is like this really pretty green. That's too much, so I'm just gonna like top a little bit off on my hand and apply that on the center in between those two shades. I'm gonna try to darken up the outer corner using the Stocking Full of Coal shade. So next thing we have are the new eye glazes that she came out with. She came out with two new shades, Little Grinch and Stealing Christmas. Here they are. So this one is Stealing Christmas, which is a more goldish kind of shade. And then we have the green shade. This one is Little Grinch. Right here on my hand. You can see it's a pretty shade of green. Like, look how pretty they are and how amazing they swatch. And I know it looks a little bit messy now, but it will look better once everything is done. I just really want to try this out, so I'm gonna use it on my lid a bit. And as you guys can see, there is some fallout on my skin. My under eye has a lot of glitters. I just want to tell you guys the prices for these little eye glazes. So these retails for $20 each, which is the standard price for them. And I'm just like basically using my finger and take off a little bit of the excess of that into the back of my hand and apply that. So this is how much fallout is on the palette. Some of the shades has a little bit of fallout, but nothing crazy. This doesn't make me mad or anything, it's just a little bit, so I'm happy about that. And next we are going to use their new olive eyeliner. So I love the black eyeliner. She came out with the red last year, but this year she came out with the olive shade. This is the packaging, and this is the liquid liner pen in the shade Olive. I wish they came out with something like this, a more like grass green kind of green, to go more with the Grinch theme. But I'm not mad at Olive. I love Olive, like the tone, the color, so I'm not mad at it. So we are going to apply it and see how this is going to look with the eyeliner on. But you know what, I love this color. I'm gonna go off camera and apply lashes because it looks a little bit crazy like this, but it will look better. Lashes are on, and these are some dramatic lashes, but I feel like they look good on this look. And I love the liner, I love the color. I wanted a more bright green, but I'm really not mad at this olive eyeliner. I think it's so pretty. Instead of black, just use this kind of green, which is not so bright, and it will look great on an everyday kind of look. So now I want to go in with the shadow sticks. I know I cannot use them like a lot because there is a lot going on this eye look already, but I want to use them on my inner corner. Kylie and the Grinch shadow stick set, and this retails for $24. This is what the packaging inside looks like. Again, so much attention to detail when it comes to the packaging. So pretty. I absolutely love it. Now I need to choose what shade I'm going to use. We have this one right here. This is Grinch shadow stick. Let me just swatch it. It's a pretty green, but I'm not going to use this one today. We have No Hard Feelings. It's a beautiful baby pink shade, shimmer shade. Risky Base, which is a more rose gold shade. Yes, definitely more rose gold, a little bit darker than the other one, but kind of similar. Welcome to Whoville, which is a more gold shade. I think for my inner corner, I'm gonna go with that baby pink right there because it's so bright and pretty. So it applies more like a champagne color rather than pink. You can use this all over your lid as like, with just some like, for example, a matte brown, and then using this shimmer all over your lid will look pretty. Okay, so I did my base, concealer, bronzer, and now I'm gonna finish up my eyes, and I'm going to use Green and Mean on my under my waterline. And I'm gonna leave that on like the outer corner. I'm not gonna bring it all the way in. Then on that area right there, I'm going in with Whoville. The eyes are done, and now it's time for the blush and the highlighter. I'm so excited for this part, especially for blush. Love blush. And this is the Kylie X Grinch Max the Reindeer blush. I love the packaging, so cute. Love that the little cartoons on the whole collection is from the original Grinch, so cute. And this is what the blush looks like. Let me try and swatch like a little bit so you guys can see. Almost like a hot pink when you swatch it. Tap off the excess. It's such a pretty shade. I like it. It's not too pink once you apply it. It's not too red. It's just like the perfect shade for me. I just really like it. And before I forget, it retails for $18. So I'm really happy at the shade. It's not like too pigmented when you apply it, so you can build it up, which I like. I don't want a blush that is too pigmented and once you apply it, boom. No, I want a blush that I can build up. So I start with a little and I go in for more. And for the highlighters, we have the Littlest of Who's Kylie X Grinch highlighter. I love the packaging, so cute. The highlighter retails for $20. Let me show you guys what it looks on the inside. So this is the packaging. This one is green and the blush is red. And this is what it looks like. It's an icy white highlighter with a little bit of pink in it. You swatch it when the light hits. I don't know, it's hard to see on camera, but when the light hits, it's just like has some like pink reflex in it. It's such a pretty shade. I'm gonna go with a little bit. It's pretty. A little bit in here. The only thing I can say is I don't know how this will work for a darker complexion. I feel like this is too light for darker complexion. So this is Lip Kit Kylie X Grinch. The packaging is so cute. Again, so much attention to detail. And on the back here, if you want to give this as a present, you have this label right here where you can write to and from. So you can buy this as a gift and give it on Christmas. Such a great gift to offer. I'm sure anyone who loves makeup, a makeup lover, would love to receive something like this on Christmas. And the prices, just like the other lip kits she has, is $29. So she came out with a red lipstick for this collection as well, but this one is not as a bright red as the last year's lip kit. Yeah, it looks super bright on camera, but it's not as bright as it looks. It's more pinkish and less red. Love this shade and I would love to have it on my lips, but I want to go with a nude glossy lipstick, lip moment, whatever you want to call it. This is the Kylie X Grinch lip set. It comes with 6 lipsticks and retails for $60, meaning you get each lipstick for $10, which is a great price because she usually sells her lipsticks for $18 if I'm not mistaken. $18 each, and here you get 6 for $60, so that's a great price. And again, a great gift. Such a beautiful little packaging, and who doesn't love lipsticks? So let me show you guys the shades that come in here. So these are the lipsticks, green packaging, just like the Grinch. So I went and swatched them quickly. I'm not the best at swatching, so sorry for how it looks. But first we have this beautiful plum, which is I Hate Christmas, and then we have this gorgeous bright red, which is Mean One, and then we have this beautiful peachy nude, which is Oh the Noise. Then we have a metallic lip formula, which is Mr. Grinch, and next we have Who Needs Present, which is a dark nude kind of chocolate shade, and the last one, which is my favorite, is a Wonderful Waffle Idea. The one I'm going to be using is a Wonderful Waffle Idea. I love this shade of nude, it's beautiful. Quickly line my lips off camera and I'm gonna go in with it. I was right, this is really a pretty shade of nude, exactly how I usually like my nude lipsticks. And now it's time for the last products of this collection, which are the high gloss. She chose to put them on these cute ornaments, like you can put these on your Christmas tree. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. They are so cute. I will definitely use these all over my Christmas tree if I could. And these retails for $16 each. Here they are, both are glittery high glosses, but this one has a lot more glitter than this one. One is more pink and another one is a more gold copper kind of shade. Both beautiful. I think I'm gonna go with this one because I feel like it will complement this lipstick that I have on. So the pinkish one is of course sweet like a candy cane, and then we have this one here, which is Snowcapped. So the pinkish one is more opaque, and then we have this one, which is a more sheer kind of gloss. It's exactly what I want for this look, so I'm gonna go in with it. And this is the final look, you guys. I am actually super happy with how this look came out. I'm not mad at it. I love the green and I love the eyeliner. I feel like the eyeliner on this look, it gives something. It like makes the whole look complete. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys here. There is absolutely nothing that I don't like. I liked everything. I just have to be honest. I love the eyeshadow palette. The shadows blended amazing. There's only one thing that I can say, something that I wish that I would put on is a red, like a bright red on the eyeshadow. I just wanted some bright red for Christmas. I don't know why, I just would like to have a bright red there. I just liked everything. I don't know if I'm like, I feel bad by saying that because I don't know, I feel like people almost expect you to don't like certain collections of products, but I have to be honest, I liked everything. I'm happy, and to be honest with you, these might be one of my favorite Kylie Cosmetics collections of all time. Make sure you go enter the giveaway that is going on my Instagram as well. I will leave the details down below so you can go and enter. And if you like watching me, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching again, and I see you on my next one. Bye bye.